Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Zilch card in 2026. Now, in order to enable or in order to activate your Zilch card, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Zilch application. So as you can see, I'm currently on this particular page and the interface of your Zilch application is going to look something like this. Now, when you are inside, you will see these tabs here on the top. The first is online and the second one is in store. So you need to select either online or in store, then simply search for your store. Afterwards, you just have to simply choose any of the methods with the help of which you want to pay. So as you can see, you will be shown a bunch of different options. So after selecting any of these options, you just have to simply select the option of choose pay. Now, as soon as you do this, you are going to see your Zilch card information here and it will show how you are going to pay. And now you just have to simply tap on the option of enable card button here in the bottom. So when you tap on the option of enable card, you will be able to use it in order to shop or check out as usual, and your card will be enabled or activated for 2 hours when you do this. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.